Tilth Soil, we make soils for those with green thumbs and those who aspire to have them. Our products are for those growers and gardeners who care about clean, natural, and transparent ingredients. Grow is an organic raised bed fill mix. This all-purpose blend is ideal for home gardeners who want a well-rounded, user-friendly mix that their veggies and herbs will love. If you start from seed or buy healthy starts, Grow is the perfect mix to ensure that these starts will have a healthy and prosperous growing season. This airy mixture gives your plant roots room to grow while providing drainage and nutrients to keep them fed and happy all season long. At Tilth, we believe that health begins with our soil.